In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an RSVP form in WordPress. Whether you're planning a wedding, hosting an event, or simply need to manage guest responses online, WordPress makes this task both simple and efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to integrate an RSVP form into your website, customize it to fit your needs, and make it live for your guests to use. If you're new to WordPress, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step. No technical skills required. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to wordpress.com. This is where you can create or manage your WordPress website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the platform. Signing up is quick, and it's the key to unlocking all of WordPress's tools for building and managing your site. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Login button on the homepage. Now, depending on your preference, you can either use the Continue with Google option for a faster and more secure login, or you can enter your WordPress credentials manually. Using Google is a great choice if you want to simplify the process and add an additional layer of security. Once you've made your selection, choose the Google account linked to your WordPress site, if applicable, and complete the login process. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your site. From here, navigate to the right-hand panel under the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly to your website's editing interface, where you can make changes to your pages and layouts. Now that you're in the editing interface, look up to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Add button. This button is represented by a small plus sign and is your gateway to adding new blocks or elements to your page. Once you click it, a search bar will appear. Type RSVP form into the search bar to quickly locate the RSVP form block within WordPress's library. This is much faster than manually scrolling through the options and ensures you get straight to the tool you need. When the RSVP form option appears in the list, click on it. This action will automatically integrate the RSVP form block into your page. It's as simple as that. WordPress does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on customizing it to fit your event. Now let's make sure the form aligns with your specific needs. Click on the form to start customizing the fields. For example, you might want to add fields for guest names, email addresses, and any other details that are relevant to your event, such as dietary preferences or the number of additional guests they plan to bring. Tailoring these fields ensures that you're collecting all the information necessary to make your event a success. Once you've finished customizing the form, it's time to make it live. Save or publish your page depending on whether you're updating an existing site or launching a new one. This step ensures that your RSVP form is now accessible to your guests, ready to collect responses in real time. And there you have it. You've successfully added a fully functional RSVP form to your WordPress site. Now your guests can easily RSVP online, and you can manage their responses all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.